Hello everyone, my name is Retno Widayanti. In this video, I will discuss how geopolitical conflict in the Middle East affects the development of international business, particularly through changes in energy prices, global trade, and supply chains. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, the Middle East is one of the world's largest oil-producing regions. Home to the most strategic energy trade route is the Strait of Hormuz. The IEA reports that an average of 20 million barrels of oil and oil products per day pass through this strait, accounting for roughly 25% of the world's total seaborne oil trade. As a result, any security disruption in this region has a direct impact on the smooth flow of global energy supply. Since the United States and Israel launched strikes against Iran on the 28th of February 2026, this has no longer been a theoretical risk. According to the IEA's March 2026 report, oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz plunged dramatically from around 20 million barrels per day to almost a complete halt, while Brent crude oil prices came close to $120 per barrel. The impact on global trade has also been officially recorded. According to a rapid assessment by UNCTAD titled Strait of Hormuz Disruptions, Implication for Global Trade and Development, ship traffic through the Strait of Hormuz fell by around 95%, from approximately 130 ships per day in February to just 6 ships per day in March 2026. UNCTAD also projected that global merchandise trade growth would slow sharply from around 4.7% in 2025 to only 1.5 until 2.5% in 2026, driven by rising shipping costs, war risk insurance premiums, and marine fuel prices. Meanwhile, the International Monetary Fund (IMF), in its April 2026 World Economic Outlook report, titled Global Economy in the Shadow of War, stated that this war represents the largest energy supply shock in the history of the modern oil market. Under their reference scenario at the time, global economic growth was revised down to 3.1%, with global inflation at around 4.4% in 2026. However, the IMF's latest update as of July 2026 shows conditions have worsened. Global economic growth has been cut further to around 3%, while the global inflation forecast has been raised to 4.7%, with energy prices now around 25% higher than before the war began. So, what are the concrete impacts on the business world? First, rising production costs. Higher oil and gas prices push up the cost of fuel, electricity, and industrial raw materials, forcing companies to absorb higher operating costs or raise their product prices. Second, rising international logistics costs. Based on UNCTAD data, higher shipping rates, war risk insurance premiums, and marine fuel costs have significantly increased the cost of cross-border goods distribution, especially for routes passing through the Gulf region. Third, disruption to global supply chains. This uncertainty has driven many multinational companies to adopt strategies such as supplier diversification, friendshoring, and nearshoring, that is, expanding their supplier base and relocating part of their production to countries considered more geopolitically stable. Fourth, rising inflationary pressure and slowing economic growth. As noted by the IMF, the combination of higher energy prices and supply chain disruptions is pushing global inflation upward while weighing on global economic growth, with developing countries bearing the heavier burden. What does this mean for Indonesia? As a country that still imports a portion of its oil needs, Indonesia is also feeling this ripple effect. Industrial production costs are rising, domestic inflationary pressure is increasing, and the government needs to maintain energy price stability to keep economic activity running smoothly. This situation is also accelerating the diversification of energy sources and the development of new and renewable energy to strengthen the country's long-term energy security. In conclusion, The geopolitical conflict in the Middle East does not only affect the energy sector, it has far-reaching effects on international trade, global supply chains, and worldwide economic growth. Companies need to strengthen their risk management and build more resilient supply chains to face ongoing geopolitical uncertainty. That concludes this explanation of the impact of the Middle East conflict on the development of international business. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.